It's day 2 of our London adventure. Come go with us as we continue to explore all that London has to offer. Hey fam, so we just got off the train at South Kensington and we're gonna go and check out the National History Museum, so stay tuned. The National History Museum exhibits a vast range of wonders to explore, from dinosaurs to creepy crawlies, mammals, fossils, and priceless minerals. The building itself is gorgeous, with intricate architectural details, and only requires a donation for entry. What's up, travel fam? We're on our way now to do our boat tour. It comes with our big red bus tour. It's one of the options that we purchased, so we're on our way to go do that at the pier right down there. So we'll see how it goes. By the way, this is where we are, down by the eye. Give you a little preview view of what we're looking at. There we go. And there's the Elizabeth Tower and Big Ben inside. Here we are, headed down to the Westminster Pier to get on our water shuttle, our water tour. This particular water tour takes us from Westminster Pier down to where the Towers of London Bridge is and the Tower of London. So that's where we're headed. It's a quick tour. It doesn't take very long, but the views are absolutely phenomenal.
Download the commentary in about 15 different languages. However, we the crew, we know through experience that the time it takes most of you to do this, we will probably have already reached our destination, and what you would have taken would have been a mystery tour. So what I'm going to do today, I'm going to try and point some of these places of interest out to you. First of all, I must point out, I don't speak 15 different languages. I am only a member of the crew. So please bear with me when I do make 1 or 2, 3 or 4, even 5 or 6 mistakes. I will please keep it to yourself, don't tell anybody. She started life off over there as a floating art gallery. Didn't do very well.
Say Popeye, boys and girls. It's very small. It's at the corner, right across the street from the hotel. Nice little. Here is my Guinness. Oh, can't come to London and not have a Guinness.